Hey everyone, quick one here. Tonight is the night. Tonight is night one of the free board workshop, and it starts at 8 p.m. Eastern. So, tonight we're going to cover how to read a patient. We're going to go over the 4 examinations. We're going to go over tongue and pulse, and we're going to go over domain one overall, which is 28% of your exam. On the live, we're going to go over a real board question together, and everybody gets a free practice quiz afterwards with a full explanation. It's going to be a PDF, and you're going to get that whether you show up or not, but you have to be on the email list. Now, if you haven't signed up for the workshop, it's not too late. The thing is, you do have to sign up. It's the only way that I can send you the link. So go to studyaccuwithme.com/workshop. The link is in my bio. The link is in my description. There are actually over 360 people that have signed up already. So please come hang out with us. I will see you at 8 p.m. God bless and happy studying.